Have you ever wondered what's under the bonnet of an electric vehicle, otherwise known as an EV? If so, you're not alone. My name's Zoe, and I'm about to run you through what you can expect to find under the bonnet of an EV. You may find the motor located in the front or the rear of the vehicle, in which case you may have a bit of extra space under the bonnet, and this is known as a front trunk, or as the Americans say, a frunk. This is particularly useful if you want to store a bit of extra shopping and you're using the boot for your wheelchair or electric scooter. So let's take a closer look together. Like in a petrol or diesel car, you've got your brake fluid, your coolant and your washer fluid. And your washer fluid is the only one you're going to have to top up during the lifetime of your lease. We've also got our 12-volt battery, and this runs your electric windows and your adaptations, so you don't have to worry about those impacting your range of your electric vehicle. Now, your mains battery could be located under the bonnet or, more often, in the floor of the vehicle. This runs at a much higher voltage, and they have high voltage cables running to them, often coated in orange, so they're really visible and easily avoidable for safety reasons. In this vehicle, we can see the orange cables are tucked away neatly. So, as you can see, there are fewer moving parts in an EV compared to a petrol or diesel car, which is great for maintenance and gives really good reliability. In a recent UK survey, 96% of EV owners said their EV was reliable or very reliable. EVs often have more room, which is great for stretching out on long journeys. This is because they don't have that hump in the middle of the floor, where an exhaust pipe or anything running from the front to the rear of the vehicle would be in a petrol or diesel car. All EVs are automatic and have one gear. This means you're not having to worry about changing gear or stalling. And also, it makes for a smoother, quieter and more relaxing environment for driving. This is also great for reducing sensory overload for anyone with a cognitive condition. If you'd like more information about EVs on the Motability scheme, visit motability.co.uk/electric, where you can also sign up for a series of educational EV emails to boost your EV confidence.